My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing. I have a standard Boxycharm, and I'm also going to be opening the Boxyluxe for December. So these are both for December. That was not clear. This is the first time that what I did was I just completed another profile and ordered a regular Boxycharm, and I chose like wild card for basically if that was an option, I chose it. So I'm very curious to see what I got in this and then what I got in the Boxyluxe. So if you would like to see that, keep on watching, and if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay, real quick. Like, I die. How adorable are these soap brush cleaners? I can't even. Oh! And then, oh my gosh, so I started using like this waved soap cutter, and oh my gosh, this makes it so easy when I'm cleaning my brushes because it's like a brush egg and soap had a baby. It's genius. Works amazing. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna open the regular Boxycharm first. All right, the first product is, oh my gosh, it's so adorable. This Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Robin Hood palette, which retails for $35. Oh, yeah. Maid Marian is broken to bits. Okay, so I guess I'll just add that to my to-do list. Keep it moving. Okay, so this, it's all over, is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Ooh. This retails for $39, and it's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. I've been wanting to get this. I tried a sample of it, and it seems like Saturday Skin is a pretty like solid brand. It feels so good. Oh, I'm so mad that was broken. All right, the next product, still getting all over me. Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Oh, I remember seeing this like a while ago and wanted to order it, but then I just didn't. I don't remember why. So I think mine is in Dusk. Did I say this retails for $26? I don't remember. Yeah, Dusk is the shade name. I love this packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's like a very pretty light pink. Very pretty. And it does have like a little sheen to it. Okay, the the next product is this Aesthetica Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. What would you rather use? I would rather use this. So this will be going in a giveaway too. I'm not a traitor. Okay, that's $12 anyways. The last product, yeah, is this Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. Okay, designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. Okay, here is what it looks like. Huh. Very cool. What is this? Oh, the sculpting mascara gel. Okay, well, I can't get it out, so we're not gonna look at it right now. Huh. Oh. That's why I couldn't get it out. Okay. Oh, this is tinted too. Cool, cool. I'm actually excited for that. This retails for $30. Don't remember if I said that. I'm horrible. I don't remember if I said the price. Okay, so the retail value for the standard Boxycharm was $142. So that is really good, and I would have been like so happy with this box if my palette wasn't broken. Besides that, besides this, it was an awesome box. Onto the Boxyluxe. So this whimsy, I guess, is this month's theme. Oh, I forgot to say that my Boxycharm version was number 3 that I just unboxed. Oh, this is like a big one. Okay, let me open it first. Let's see. Make sure it's okay. So this is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose Palette. Oh, I love that. Oh, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. Hans Christian Andersen. Isn't that the truth? Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I can't. Yeah, this retails for $55. Wow. The next product is this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Ooh, for fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, so a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. Yes! So this retails for $79. Wow. I'm gonna put some in the back of my hand. Feel it. It smells like roses. Ooh, and I like it because it's not as heavy as a oil. It does say that it's something. A lightweight oil, which it really does feel lightweight. Oh, and my hand is glowing too. Okay, the next product is Ciate Confetti Highlighter. Ooh, and it says Warm Glow Highlighter. Warm Glow. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. So here is what it looks like. Oh, I see. How cool. So this retails for $32. That's really cool. Oh. That's gonna be like dark on me. Ah. Man, why would you send me this color? That's seriously like a coral blush on me. The next product, wow, it's big too, is this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I'm not the biggest fan of this. This retails for $48. It's a good cleanser. I just really don't like the smell of it, and I just prefer like my purity. This Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap, which retails for $18. Yay! I love these hair wraps. I have quite a few of them, but yeah, I mean, I don't know what else I can say about them. I just love them. The next product is this In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. This energizing, oh girl, I need that. Face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get you through your day and night. Special Bi-Phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated even with our even OUTTM complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots and dullness, period. Naturally colored and scented with energizing aromatic from plants. Huh, retails for $32. Okay, so it says that it like changes when you shake it. Here's what it looks like right now. I mean, it just kind of like mixes it. All right, let me see if it does all these wonderful things it says it does. It makes me look better somehow. Better wake me up. I hope it does, because I need some energy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this in my work bag because I need a setting spray for when I need a pick-me-up. So that means I'll just be spraying my face the entire night. Ha ha ha. Alright, the next product, M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray. Beach Air. Ooh, that's the fragrance, I guess. This fast-absorbing, multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Oh, awesome. It says multi-use for body, face, and hair. That's really cool. This retails for $36. So I've always wanted a dry oil spray. Ooh, that smells good too. It kind of does smell like beach air. Ooh, that makes my skin so nice, and I have such dry skin. If I haven't told you guys 100,000 times before. Ooh, I like that. The next product is this Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss in Crazy Rich, which I hope to one day be. Ooh, I think. Oh, that packaging is super adorable. Kind of like a coralish pink, I think. Yeah, it's pretty. $21 is the retail. Ooh, I'm like so soft. Let me. All right, yay! I really. Ooh, it's really comfortable too. Okay. And the last product is. Oh, I was wondering what the hell this box was. This Cosmetics Facial Roller. Oh my goodness. Hexagon shaped Cosmetics Facial Roller is an innovative beauty tool. Oh! I thought it was like one of those ones that's like a stone. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Kind of looks like a vibrator. Wow, okay. Cosmetics Facial Roller is an innovative beauty tool used to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance skin texture, and uplift fatigued skin. This retails for $69. So, so you can use it on your forehead, your cheek, your collarbone, your upper arm, your hand, your neck. Oh, I need it on my neck. Your shoulder and cervical spine, and your calves. Please gently roll in a vertical and horizontal direction of left and right. Gently roll up and down or left to right. That's the same thing as what you just said. Gently roll on shoulders and on both sides of cervical spine. Tip, you can get better effect after bath. It can help the absorption of skincare products. Oh, if you have a pacemaker, consult your doctor before using this. Ooh, that's cool. Like, can this really help? Let me know your guys' opinion down below. Like, if these things actually work, or we're just rolling some rubber balls on our face. Like, I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I guess it's better than rubbing real balls on your face. Okay, so the total retail value for my Boxyluxe was $390. This Boxyluxe was, as it has been ever since I've started getting Boxyluxe, amazing. Like, blown away, amazing. Only thing I'm kind of disappointed in is that highlighter. It like looked so pretty, but like this is just definitely not a highlighter shade for me. But other than that, I am super excited for everything. And I'm also really glad that I didn't get any duplicates in from, you know, my regular Boxycharm. I was expecting that I was, so I am really happy. All right, let me know what you guys think. And as always, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. If he don't love you anymore, just walk your fine ass out the door. I do my hair, talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. Talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. Baby, how you feeling? Ooh, girl, I need to kick off your shoes. Time to focus on you.